Ang unya na ibutang lagi kay di pa na nahinao pa na nahinanok. Hello, Harry. Good evening.
Hello, teacher.
Okay. How are you, baby? What did you do today?
I'm happy. I I am go to school.
Okay, you go to school. Very good. Okay, so before we will start, let's have a very short dance first. It's that fine?
Yes. Hmm?
Oh, you said no, no, no. I said no, 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 no. You say take me home. I said no, Perignon. You said no, no, no. I said no, 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 no. No, 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 no.
Hasta la vida loca, 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 loca. Te encanta la música, te toca, toca, toca. Hasta la vida loca, 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 loca. Te encanta la música, te toca, toca, toca.
Oh, I wanna see rain on me forever. Rivers of champagne, celebrate together. Oh, I wanna see rain on me forever. Rivers of champagne, celebrate together.
Hasta la vida loca, 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 loca. Te encanta la música, te toca, toca, toca. Hasta la vida loca, 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 loca. Te encanta la música, te toca, toca, toca. Toca, toca, toca. Hasta la vida loca, 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 loca. Toca, toca, toca.
Okay, we're done. Okay. So, are you ready, baby?
Yes.
Okay, can you say, yes, I'm ready, teacher?
Yes, I'm ready, teacher.
Very good. Okay, let's proceed. Okay. So where did we stop last meeting? Okay, let's see. Where did we stop? Hmm. Okay, we are in this part. A rotten tomato. We are on the topic of a rotten tomato. Okay, we are done this. This one. Okay, so we will be starting our lesson here. Okay, so now, baby, we are done discussing about line up, right? Are we done this one?
Yes. Yes.
Okay, so let's read it one more about sentence about line up.
Many people line up as the ticket both outside the
Theater. Again, theater.
theater.
Okay, so many people lined up outside the theater. Okay, so as you see, many people are forming a line because they wanted to have a ticket. Okay, how about number two? What is the word?
Sting.
Stage.
Stage.
Okay, so stage. What is stage? Let's read the sentence.
We watch Timmy dance on the stage.
Okay, we watch Timmy dance on the stage. Okay, so this is the stage. Okay, so Timmy is dancing in the stage. Okay, now we will be having another example, baby, about the word stage. Okay, can we have another example? Hurry, perform. What's next,
Hmm,
baby?
Reform
In
in
in the
in
stage.
the stage.
Okay, so hurry, perform in the stage. Another. Okay, one more. Let's read this one, baby. One more. Hurry.
Harry perform in the stage.
Okay, hurry, perform in the stage. Okay, now let's answer the question here. Where do you?
Why do you usually see people light up?
Okay, so the question here, baby, is where do you usually see people line up? Okay, where?
Hmm,
Okay, can you start saying I usually see
I usually
people
see people light up at mm, at
at
the
line up when buying.
buying ice cream.
Okay, so I usually see people line up when buying ice cream. Okay. And also sometimes on the grocery stores or in the market, people tend to line up. Okay. So let's proceed. Whoops. Okay, so the next word is, can you read?
Audit
Auditorium.
auditorium
Auditorium.
auditorium.
Okay, so let's read a sentence about
The
auditorium.
play will be at the auditorium of the school.
Okay, so this is an auditorium. Okay. In my college days, Harry, when I was still studying, in our university, there is an auditorium there. An auditorium is a very close place where even you speak for a very low voice, everyone can hear you. That's why it is called auditorium because of the audio. Okay, it is a closed room where if you speak, you will be clearly heard. Okay, that's why it is called auditorium. Again, can you say the word auditorium?
Auditorium.
Okay. Let's have another sentence about auditorium. The
Play
the play or the
the
dance
dance
contest the dance
content
contest
contest
will
at will will
be
will be uh, at at the audi auditorium.
okay, auditorium. Okay, so this is another sentence about auditorium. Again, let's read the
The
dance.
dance contents will be at the auditorium.
Okay, the dance contest will be at the auditorium. Okay. How about the second word? The second word is
Mm,
curtain.
curtain.
Okay, do you have curtain in your house, Ari?
Yes.
Just like this one, this is curtain. Okay, what's the color of your curtain, Hari?
Is red.
Red. Okay, so let's read about the curtain. The curtain
The curtain closed after the play
ended.
ended.
Okay, so the curtain closed after the play ended. Okay, so after the play, if this is the curtain, okay, when the play is started, it will be open. Okay, and if the play ended, the curtain will be closed. Okay, so the curtain closed after the play ended. Okay, let's have another example about the curtain. Okay. The curtain
Curtain
in my
open
room
in my room. Mm,
is color. What's your favorite color, Harry?
is color mm, pink.
Wow, it's color pink. Pink is my favorite color. Okay. So again, let's have the example about curtain. Okay, the curtain.
The curtain in my room is color pink.
Okay, the curtain in my room is color pink. Okay, how about this one? Let's answer this question, baby.
Where can you watch show like play and dance?
Dance? Okay.
Yeah.
Dances.
Dances
Okay, where can we watch shows like plays and dances? In the
in the auditorium.
in the auditorium. Very good. Okay, let's proceed. Whoops. Okay, the next word is wring one's hand.
Waving one hands.
Okay, let us know what is wrings one's hand. Okay, Timmy,
Timmy waves his hand when he's
nervous.
nervous.
Okay, so the hands of Timmy will be ring because of the nervous. Okay, sometimes when we feel nervous, we feel that our hand is numb. Or sometimes when we are nervous, we feel like we are shaking. Okay, because we feel nervous. Okay, now let's have another example of rings his hand. Okay, Harry wrings his hands when he is he is in the stage. Okay, so let's read the sentence, Harry. Harry,
Harry wrings his hand when he is in the stage.
okay, when he is in the stage. Okay, how about the next one? Let's have the another
Sleep.
again. Sleep.
Sleep.
Okay, the boy is sleep. Okay, it does not mean sleep. Okay, what does it mean is the boy is being slipped by a banana peel. Again, let's read Shao.
Now one sleep on a banana peel.
Okay, because of the banana peel, Shang Wang is sleep. Okay, she almost bumped his head on the floor because of the sleep peel of banana. Okay, let's have another example about sleep. Harry almost sleep
Sleep
on wet
and wait.
surface.
On wet surface.
Okay, Harry
Harry sleep
almost.
almost slip on wet surface.
Okay, so if sometimes, Harry, when we observe that when we are on the comfort room where water is always where where we can take a bath, okay, sometimes the floor is wet.
Wet.
Okay, let's have the example or let's answer the question. What would,
What would make you wring your hands?
okay, what would make you wring your hands? What makes you wring your hands, Harry?
Hmm,
I wring my hands when
when I in a sting.
in a stage, okay? Or when you are speaking in front of the people, okay? Sometimes we wring our hands, okay? How about the next one? Whoops. Okay, let's have the, can you read? Audience.
Audience.
Okay, so these are the audience, okay? Where people or the people will see the performances or the people that is dancing and singing. So they are called audience. Okay, let's read the sentence about audience.
The audience keep
Keep,
quiet during the play.
okay, so the audience keep quiet during the play. Okay, let's have another example about audience. The audience
The audience
started to
starts to
shout
shout
when
when
we are dancing.
we are dancing.
Okay. So again, let's read the example about audience. The audience.
The audience starts shout when we are dancing.
Okay, so the audience started to shout when we are dancing. Okay. How about the next word? The next word is sigh.
Sigh.
Okay, Cindy.
Cindy sighed after seeing the of
Result.
results of her exam.
Okay, Cindy started to sigh after seeing the result of her exam. What do you think? Did Cindy pass or failed?
S- mm,
She has a B negative. What do you think? Is this pass or failed?
fa-
It, it's failed.
fail.
Okay, so let's have an example about sigh. Cindy, sigh
Mm,
after failing the exam. Okay, again, let's read this once. Cindy,
Cindy sighed after failing the exam.
again, failing.
Failing.
Okay, failing. Okay, let's answer the question, this one, Harry. How
How does
does
an you
audience
audience usually
react?
react if a play has a sad ending?
Okay, so what does the audience react when usually a play has a sad ending? So the audience will be
Why?
quiet and sad. Okay, so if the story has a sad ending, so people will also be sad, or the audience will also be sad. Cool, let's proceed. Whoops. Okay. Let's have wait, baby. Okay, let's have the genre. Okay, so let's read about genre. Again, genre.
January. Fiction refers to literature and stories
Stories.
about ima-
Imaginary.
imaginary people, animals, things, and events.
Okay, so meaning to say, Harry, non-fiction is where there are true people, true animals, true event. But in fiction refers to the story that about imaginary people, animals, or event. Meaning to say, they are not true. They are only in mind, meaning to say there is no real people, there is no real animals, there is no real event. Okay?
Yes.
Okay, let's have an example. Let's read.
That night, Simon opened his window. He waited for his
Waited.
magic
Again, he waited.
waited waited for his magical friend to come. Simon looked outside, but all he saw was the darkness and the
Starry sky.
starry sky. S- Should
Suddenly,
suddenly he saw something move. It moved
closer.
closer and closer and closer to him. Simon did not know what it was. He was about to close the window when he
He heard
he heard it call his name. It was Mr.
Glipsnop.
Lisnops. Is all along. His magical friends came as always.
Okay, so meaning to say fiction, meaning to say it's just imaginary, it is not true. Okay, when we say magical, Harry, magical does not exist or that does not happen in real life. Okay, so Simon has a friend who is a magical friend. So meaning to say, magical people will not see that friend because he is only exists in a fiction world or not true. Okay, let's read the question. Is the
Is the
sentence?
Satan to a false? Why? The story is about real people.
Okay, is the
Mm,
sentence true or false?
of false
False. Why? Why it is false?
because fiction
Is
uh,
about
is about imaginary people,
animals.
animals, things, and events.
Okay, so meaning to say it is not true. It is only magical. Okay, let's proceed. Whoops. Okay, so let us
Nga,
read the
ai vậy?
instruction. Guess.
Guess where Timmy is going. The picture can help you.
Okay. Where do you think Timmy is going? this picture can
Mm.
help you answer. Simi is going to the
To choose a
play
play.
or in the theater. Okay, the theater is where there are people or children performing. They are dancing, they are singing. So, when you say this stage, this is where they will perform and they will have the costume like this. Okay, they will have the costume, they will have the audience and all. Okay, let's proceed. This one, let's have a fast reading. Okay, Rotten Tomato.
A Rotten Tomatoes. All of
All
the students' families came to the school theater one night. They all lined up for the school play A Rotten Tomato. Cindy and Anna had written the play together. They were behind the stage with all of the children getting ready.
mm-hmm,
Slowly, the
slowly
fa- slowly the families mm, f- f-
filled,
the
filled.
fill fill the auditorium.
Okay, so the title of the play is A Rotten Tomato. Okay, all of the students' families come to the school theater one night. Okay, so the student family will come to the theater one night. They all lined up, okay, they all lined up for the school play. A Rotten Tomato. Okay, so this is the title of the story, A Rotten Tomato. Cindy and Anna had written the play together. Okay, so this is Cindy and this is Anna, and they are the one who writes the story about A Rotten Tomato. Okay, they are behind the stage with all the children getting ready. Okay, so let's answer this question, Harry. Who wrote?
Who wrote a rotten tomato?
Okay, who wrote the Rotten Tomato? It's
Cindy and Anna. Hmm?
very good. It's Cindy and Anna. Okay, they are the one writing about a rotten tomato. Okay, let's proceed. Oops. Okay, let's have this one. Inside the theater,
Inside the theater, everyone went silent,
silent
and silent. The lights went dark. Slowly, one tomato woke up onto the stage. Then
stage. Again,
stage,
stage.
stage. Then it opened its mouth and started to sing. It was a beautiful song.
Okay, so inside the theater, everyone will silent or all the audience are silent, okay? Slowly, one tomato walked into the stage, then opened its mouth and started to sing. Okay, it was a beautiful song. So this tomato is singing. Okay, let's proceed. Cindy,
Cindy and Anna watched from behind the curtains. They
nervously
nervously wrung their hands as they watched all the children act out all of the different
scenes.
scenes. Scene.
Okay. Okay. So Cindy and Anna, okay, watched from behind the curtains, okay, because of their nervous, wrung their hands as they watch all the children. Okay, hurry, our time is over. Let's continue our lesson tomorrow on Saturday. Okay, goodbye, hurry.
Bye teacher, see you again.